The second truss girder is offset 2.5 meters inwards. We can copy the first to the desired position or have RFEM automatically generate the new truss. For this, we first need the position of the nodes of the second truss member. At this point, it would be useful to understand how visibilities work. We select the two upper plates, and in the Navigator's Views tab, click Visibility by selected objects. Now we cannot select any other object of the model. We select the end nodes of the first truss, and click Copy and Move. We want one copy that is offset 2.5 meters inwards. In the Tools menu, we click Modeling 2D Trusses. In the new window, we select the following truss and diagonals, and set the number of fields to 6. If we do not know the span, we can simply measure it out by clicking the end nodes. We set the total height to 1 and the side height to 2. Since we have already created a truss, the respective cross-sections are already available. We select the same cross-sections as the first truss. The diagonals and verticals are predefined as truss members, and we will keep it that way. When we are done with the setting, we can start node and select the end node and thus insert the truss in the model. Now we can cancel the visibility mode. You can also display the different member types in color by using the Navigator's Display tab. Click on Member Type under Colors in Graphic by. Next, we have to define the external diagonals as beam members so that the forces can be transferred to the plates and there are no stability problems. For this, we select All. And then we just double-click one. In the window, we select the member type beam and click OK to confirm. We can see the modified member type by its blue color. You can insert the last level and the downstand beams of our model yourself. To do this, we copy the 4 columns once upwards by holding down the Control key. Since the 4 columns are already selected, we can immediately click on the visibility by means of selected object's symbol and thus highlight them. For easier input, we set the work plane origin at the top of the first column head. The corner nodes of the top plate are -0.5, -0.5.0, -0.5, 5.5.0, 14.5, 5.5, 0, and 14.5, -0.5.0. The material is concrete C30/37 and the plate thickness is 30 cm. The downstand beams are identical to the ones below. Good luck!